All right, my friends, we are going to look at budgeting. And this is where you are going to decide how you're going to use the $1,000. All right, so first off, you have $1,000. How much money are you going to spend or to save for each one of these items? So we have food, we have gas, we have housing, bills, which means gas, electricity, and water, extra expenses, other, and other. So $1,000. This cannot add up to more than $1,000. It can't add up to less than $1,000. You need $1,000. Okay, so you have to do some math. Sorry. Um, the first thing you're going to do is you can just play with the numbers. So let's say for food, I'm going to allow two. Oops, I have it on the wrong thing again. Okay, I'm gonna allow $200. Gas 150. So that gives me 350. Housing, say it's 250 a month. That's actually pretty low for housing, but we only have $1,000 to spend, so we're going to be finding a really cheap house, right? So that is we're up to $600, right? We have $400 left to go. Oh boy. Let's see. Gas, electricity, and water. Well, um maybe we live in the country, and so our water I don't have to pay for it because I have a well. And gas, well, I my family doesn't use much gas, so we only have like a $50 gas bill a month. Let's say 110. So we're up to 710. That's 290 more dollars to go. Okay. Well, extra expenses. You never know when your car is going to break down. That's put 150. So now we're down to 140. Other, I'm going to say this is my savings, and I'm going to put 140 in that. Okay? You don't have to do both others. But over here you would choose, so why would you choose this amount? Um I have a family of, so let's say for food, I have a family of 3. We tend to eat a lot of food, so I want to make sure that we have enough money for food. So make sure when you put the why did you choose this amount, make sure you are like really detailed, not just don't just write because I wanted to, because that's not going to be acceptable and you're going to have to redo it if you do that. Um for gas, well, I drive a truck and I fill up a couple times a month, and typically a fill up is around $60. So I'm figuring 120. Well, what happens if I have to go somewhere extra? So I want to make sure I have um, another $30 just to be safe. Okay, so be detailed. And that you can either write or you can type it if you need more space. Okay. Um, After you get done telling me why you chose all this, and again, you don't have to go by my numbers that I put, these are just examples. You're going to scroll on down and you have more money, so you can do even more with it. It's $5,000. So, same types of things. And this is for a month. So, why did you choose what you did? All right. Have fun with it, but make sure when you tell why you chose the amount you did that you're specific. I don't want any of the I just did because I wanted to. Okay. Be specific about it, guys. All right. Have a great day.